Whenever you are having such kind of problem where it is given that 3 to the power x that is equal to 4 to the power x minus 1, you need to take log on both sides and you will write it as log 3 to the power x that is equal to log 4 to the power x minus 1. Now there's a property that we are writing here that is given as log m to the power n, that can be written as n log of n, and you will get the value as x log 3, and here you will get x minus 1 and log of 4. Now we can take x as it is. You will write it as like this. Now we will expand the right hand side. You will write x log 4 minus of log of 4. Now we will take this x common and you will get log 3 minus of log of 4, and here you will get minus of log of 4. And if I will take x here and take this log 3 minus of log of 4 on other side, you will write it as log 4 upon log 3 minus of log of 4. Now we have to eliminate this negative sign, so we will write it as equal to log of 4 upon log of 4 minus of log of 3. If I will take log of 4 common, you will get the value as 1 by 1 minus log of 3 by log of 4. That can be written as 1 upon 1 minus log of 3 base 4. And the question that you can see here, that has the option 3, which is the correct one for the given question. So there's two property that we are using. First property that is given as log m to the power n, that can be written as n log m. And the second property that we are having as log m minus of log of n, that can be written as log m by n. This is the property that we are using. And the third one that we are using, that is log m upon log of n, that can be written as log of m base n. All these property that you have to write, and all these property that you have to remember whenever you are getting such kind of question.